Alright, the next part and my last part that I need to create here is, for me, this black piece. Okay. Now, it looks very similar to one that we created before, but I'm going to use a different method to create this one. So hopefully you can learn a new technique that maybe you like a little bit more than the other technique. So we're going to start a new part studio. We're going to rename it right away for whatever color it is. So for us, it's black. I'm going to grab Sketch and click on my front view. Click N for normal and P for plane. I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. And what I'm going to draw first here is this rectangle going this direction. Then I'm going to add in this piece here. So I'm going to have this T created in order to extrude it. So I've got a rectangle that's 3 blocks long, so 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 3/4 gives us 2.25 and 0.75 the other direction. Then what I want to do is get the part that's sticking up top here. So I have my rectangle tool selected. I'm going to click on the line, making sure I don't click on this little square. So I'll click on the line, move up here and click. I'm going to type in 0.75 for the base and 1.5 for my height. Now this spacing here is not right yet. So I have the right size, it's just not in the right spot. So I need to grab my dimension tool. I'm going to click on this line here, and then I'll click on this line here, and I'm going to make that 0.75 and hit enter. Now I have it spaced out perfectly. I can confirm the sketch, hit extrude, click on this face and this face, change the number to 0.75 and hit enter, and then confirm my sketch. So instead of adding one block at a time, what I did was I created the whole T in one step. The last part that I need to do here is to add in this part that's sticking out the back side. So we're going to go ahead, rotate it around to the back, grab a sketch, click on this face, and then what I'm going to do is grab my rectangle tool, click on the corner, hover over this corner so I can use that to drag down. Now I'm not clicking anything, I just hovered over it. I move it to go down, and then I click on the bottom line. And that sets it up to be the exact size that I need it to be. So I can confirm the sketch, hit extrude, click on this face, change it to 0.75 and hit enter. Confirm the extrusion, rotate my part around, and now I have this exact part. We need to change the part name, so right click on part 1, rename it to black. I'm going to right click on black and edit appearance. If I choose black, what ends up happening here is it's really hard to see the details on this. So what I like to do is choose something that's like a grayish color so I can still see the edges and makes it a little bit better. So that's the last part that I have for my puzzle. The next thing I'll do is put it together in an assembly. So we'll put it together digitally in our assembly.